I'm Richard Elishadi Oltuzemi. Oyo State Governor, His Excellency Seyi Makinde, condemned the Supreme Court ruling granting local government financial autonomy because this will help to bring government to the people, and people will feel the impact of government financially because that's the grassroots. He said federal government should be concerned about insecurity and food crisis that have caused hardship in this country. Say this one a misplaced priority for the government. Meanwhile, other state governors don't commend the effort of the Supreme Court ruling granting financial autonomy to local government. The governor of Delta State, Sheriff Obariwori, commend the effort of the Supreme Court ruling, while the governor of Anambra State and other governors in the state don't congratulate and commend the effort of Supreme Court ruling on the financial autonomy granting to local government, because this will help to bring governance and the local people will feel the impact of government.
Welcome the ruling of the Supreme Court. Compliance is a given, and our Attorney Generals have applied for the enrollment order, which we'll study carefully. But by and large, governors are happy with the devolution of power in respect to local government autonomy. It relieves the burden on governors. People really don't know how much states expend in bailing out local governments, and that's the issue there. Thank you. It's not going to affect the states. We've never tampered with local government funds, so it's going to continue. What the local governments have to do is to manage themselves, especially with the upcoming minimum wage, to manage their affairs and make sure salaries are paid. Traditional rulers get their 5%, and those are the main issues. Like I said, we haven't seen the enrollment of the court order, so we really don't know what is in there. We've seen the president on various issues, from minimum wage, which he met with Labour yesterday, the Supreme Court ruling, and other national issues that concern states as well. It's omnibus. The forum will meet next Wednesday to look at the issue wholly and then come up with a resolution on that. As you're aware, the tripartite committee has met and submitted its report.
Yes.
A movement of figure is a prerogative of the president, which he will also transmit to the National Assembly for robust debate before it's adopted. We've done our part at the tripartite committee level.
On the Supreme Court judgment that reaffirmed the financial autonomy of local government areas, Governor Borowore described it as a welcome development.
On the issue of the Supreme Court judgment, it doesn't not affect the Delta State, because Delta State we don't tamper with local government money. We augment. So whether the judgment Supreme Court say they should have autonomy, I believe in financial autonomy. As a former speaker, we are in the front of the issue of financial autonomy. Chairman too, they should not be carried away because they are closer to the grassroots. They should see how the people can have impact.
The governor.
The Supreme Court is supreme, is the final authority, and I'm a Democrat. I believe in the rule of law, and once the Supreme Court has spoken, it has spoken. And I understand, tonight, I think the Governors Forum is meeting to review this, and we're yet to even, I haven't seen the judgment myself. I've been extremely very busy all through the day, but I've seen snippets of it. But at a fundamental level, yes, we need resources to get down to the real down grassroots, and we need the people's money to work for them at all levels, whether at the federal, at the state, and at the local government. We need the people's money together. We need to promote accountability. We need to promote transparency in the utilization of public resources at all levels to be able to lift the burden of the common man.
Okay, there was judgment of the Supreme Court. There's local government autonomy, financial autonomy, and all of that. and I will still say it, I think it's just a distraction. We must face the real issues that we have. And the issue that we have is we are not producing enough. We're not productive. Whatever it is that we're sharing in Abuja, which is what this FAQ is all about. Oh, okay. Whatever is in Abuja, share it to the local government. Is that our problem? Well, okay, maybe it may be a part of the problem that, yes, you want to have a value for what is being shared, but our real problem is productivity.